POV. You enter 3 of the deadliest objects in space. A black hole, a neutron star, a supernova, 3 countdowns, 3 cosmic monsters. Can you survive even 30 seconds? Welcome to the Poverse, where infinite possibilities become experiences. See it, feel it, live it. Subscribe to enter the Poverse and follow the Poverse on Instagram and Facebook for more experiences. Object 1, black hole. Timer, 0 minutes 30 seconds. Object, black hole. Escape chance, 0%. Survival chance, almost 0. You appear near a black hole. Around you, the stars bend. Light curves like water. Space itself looks stretched. Ahead of you is darkness, not empty darkness. A darkness so powerful that even light cannot return. Your ship moves closer. The black hole does not look like a planet. It has no surface, no land, no edge you can safely touch. The gravity becomes uneven. Your suit warns you. Extreme tidal force. The black hole is stretching everything. Your ship, your body, even the light around you. You try to turn away, but there is no away anymore. Every direction leads deeper. Only a glowing ring of trapped light. And then, nothing escapes. Object 2, Neutron Star. Timer, 0 minutes 30 seconds. Size, city-sized star. Object, neutron star. Mass, more than the sun. You wake near a neutron star. It looks small, too small, almost harmless. But this tiny star is heavier than the sun. A dead star crushed into the size of a city. You begin falling toward it. The surface shines with violent light. Your suit detects radiation everywhere. The star spins faster than anything should. Your body becomes heavy, not tired, heavy. Your arms feel like mountains. Your chest feels like stone. Gravity is pulling you with impossible strength. There is no soft landing here, only compression. You do not hit the star, you become part of it. Object 3, Supernova. Timer, 0 minutes 30 seconds. Object, supernova. Event, death of a massive star. Power, galaxy level brightness. You open your eyes near a dying star. It is huge, red, unstable, shaking from the inside. The star is running out of time, and so are you. The core begins to collapse. The surface flashes. Waves of light burst outward. Your ship warns. Stellar explosion imminent. The star folds inward. For a moment, everything becomes silent. Then the silence breaks. A shockwave explodes from the star. The star is no longer a star. It is an explosion larger than worlds. A final scream of light. 3 space objects, 3 impossible countdowns. The black hole gave you no escape. The neutron star gave you crushing gravity. The supernova gave you pure destruction. But none of them gave you a second chance. So tell me, which one would you fear the most? You didn't just watch a story, you lived a possibility. This is the Poverse.